Thank you, Dr. Rabi. Thank you, everyone. So I'm Dr. Mariam Budiman from Ampang, Selangor. First of all, I would like to thank my sisters Asia and Ju for introducing me to TRME program. So in just 3 months, I lost 8 kilos. I managed to reduce 3.5 layers of visceral fat and trim 8 centimeters of my waist. So for the first time in 17 years, I reached 60 kilo and I am overjoyed. But what matters even more is my health. So I am 44 years old, and before TRME, I had high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and I was in a pre-diabetic state. So pre-diabetic state means I am high risk to get diabetes in future. But today, my HbA1c is back to normal and the title of pre-diabetes has been removed. My medication for blood pressure and cholesterol have been halved. So I feel so much healthier and I am deeply grateful for that. With this amazing personal transformation, I made a big decision to help others to achieve better health. So you see, I'm a doctor and I'm a consultant in anesthesiology and intensive care. Every day I treat overweight and obese patients, whether they are undergoing surgery or admitted to the ICU. It's heartbreaking to see young obese patients suffering from strokes and heart attacks as early as at the age of 35 years old. I truly believe TRME is the solution, and that's why I am determined to promote TRME. So reducing fat and visceral fat are the key to improve our health, and TRME is proven to do just that. So this is my first time ever doing business. I had never sold anything before in my life, but with the continuous support and guidance from my mentors, Madam Julina, Datin Suliana, Datuk Rabi, Dr. Rita Aisyah and Dr. Ni Aisyah, I have grown from zero to someone who is confident and capable in this business. To improve this business, I started by understanding how things work. So how's the structure, how the goals and the system, as what Dr. Rabi has shared with us. And I made time to attend as many online classes as possible. I'm a busy professional with 4 kids and a hectic schedule, but every day I dedicated minimum 60 minutes per day of my time to connect with people, whether it is to introduce TRME or simply reconnect with my old friends. I aim for at least 1 OPP a day. I try my very best to get 1 OPP a day. Most of it, sometimes I achieve, sometimes I didn't achieve, but every day I will try my best. When I talk to people, I keep it simple. I share my transformation and invite them to OPP session. Whenever I approach prospects, I always respect their time and space, and I always follow up politely when they are ready. I truly believe this. When you approach people with genuine intention to help, they can feel it. Honesty is powerful. It opens hearts, many hearts. Closing for sale was difficult at first because I have never done it before. But after attending the closing masterclass, I learned how to manage objection and gain confidence. With practices, I've improved so much in closing. So if the prospect tells me they cannot consume product, or they cannot comply to a program, or they cannot swallow pills or anything, I know how to deal with this kind of objections. I was lucky to attend a session with COE Baoyan, who reminded me how important mindset is. This is very important. When we believe in TRME and we believe the value it brings to everyone, so our tone, our body language and our confidence will follow. That's what helps us close sales. The training in this business is top-notch, so I encourage all of you, please attend the training sessions. Our mentors are experienced and generous in sharing what works in this business, so don't miss those opportunities. Finally, I'm proud and humbled to share that I started Nu Skin business in March this year, and I achieved 8K TA in April and 7K in May. I love the income I earn from Nu Skin. I believe anyone can succeed here. If I can do this, so can you. Let's rise, shine and be stars together in Nu Skin. Thank you.